I'm with Emilio now from Stihl. Now, I just wanted to point out that a lot of stuff on YouTube is me using the commercial range. Now, the commercial range has a different type of battery, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's right. That's the AP system. What we've got here today is the AS system and the AK system of
And
battery
that's more
tools.
for domestic use.
That's right, yeah. It's for domestic users and homeowners.
We've got a whole range. I mean, I've got a strimmer here. Hedge trimmer?
Yeah.
Hedge trimmer.
2 different hedge trimmers, so 2 different blade lengths.
And what battery are we using in this?
These ones use the AS battery.
Now let's have a look at the AS battery. This nice round battery.
So it's a really small, nifty little battery which simply plugs into the top of the hedge trimmer there. Can also plug into the HSA30 hedge trimmer.
And equally the strimmer.
And you guessed it, the strimmer too.
That's a very light machine, isn't it?
Yeah,
hold?
really lightweight, so perfect for domestic use.
Now that's got the plastic blade on it,
It has, yeah. So you've got polycut blades on this. So the great thing about these is they can easily be changed when one breaks, and it comes with
a set
polycut blades stored on the strimmer too.
So that's quite good as well.
Exactly.
What's its running time, roughly?
Working time on this with the polycut blade is around 10 minutes. So it's not the longest, but for small jobs around the garden, cutting the lawn edges, it's plenty of time. If you need more working time, you would go for a more powerful option, which would be in our AK system, which is just over here.
Now, on the way past, before we get to the AK system, you've got some nice, neat little tools as well.
We do.
So tell us more about these.
So this here is the GCA26. It's a garden pruner. It's perfect for small pruning jobs in the garden.
And that's basically a chainsaw on there, will be?
Very similar to our chainsaws. That's got a safety chain on, so that one's not going to be doing any cutting. It's a two-handed tool, so you plug your battery in, your hand goes there, thumb on the safety trigger, pull the trigger, and away it goes.
That's really useful.
And as you can see, it's the same battery as I just showed you. Also goes into our topiary shears here, the HSA26, which comes with a hedge trimming blade and also a grass trimming blade.
Oh, I see. Right. So you got 2 blades for the price of 1.
Exactly. This can do the edges of the lawn as well. So it's a versatile tool. It's not just for shrubs and topiary. It's also for lawn edges as well.
Now this then is the slightly up range, is it?
That's right. This is AK system.
So are the tools roughly the same, or are they the similar weight and type of tool as the other ones with the smaller battery?
They fit into the same category, yeah. So you've got a leaf blower here, like how you've got the leaf blower in the AS range. You've got a grass trimmer, like you've got a grass trimmer in the AS range. They use a more powerful 36-volt battery, so this gives you more power, longer working times, and overall makes them a more robust tool for larger gardens that you could be working in. So, like before, the battery is completely interchangeable. You can use it in the BGA 50 leaf blower, which is a new release for 2025. And that battery also works in our HSA 50 hedge trimmer. Completely interchangeable. And excitingly as well, in our new FSA,
don't fall off.
in our new FSA 70 brush cutter.
That's a brand new model, is it?
Brand new model. It's just come out. So the battery slots in there. You've got an adjustable handle, so you can set the height to whichever height you want without the need for tools. And a really nifty feature on this is the mowing head. If you want to change the mowing head, you simply press this button here and it pops out. So if you need to replace the mowing head for whatever reason, if it got damaged, or you want to put a line head on, you can do that really easily at the touch of a button. And that's called our rapid click system.
So basically you've got a range for larger gardens and a range for smaller gardens.
That's right.
In today's world, there's a lot of small gardens.
There is, yeah. There's a lot of new build homes where you've got a small lawn, small patio, and that's what a lot of these tools are aimed at as well. So we do all of our commercial tools for commercial users and for medium-sized gardens, but also for small gardens and garden challenges.
So really you've got something for everyone.
Something for everyone, absolutely.
Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.